Join me as I take on the challenge of tackling my student loans head-on and finding ways to stress less in 2025. The stress of student loans is a heavy burden many of us carry, affecting not just our finances but our mental health too. With the cost of education continually rising, finding ways to manage or eliminate this debt has become more crucial than ever. Rising interest rates are making it even harder for students to pay off their loans. It's like trying to fill a bucket with water while there's a hole at the bottom. No matter how much you pour in, you're never quite getting ahead. This financial strain can lead to anxiety, depression, and a host of other mental health issues. Many graduates are forced to put their life goals on hold, whether it's buying a home, starting a family, or pursuing their dream career, all because of the weight of their student loans. The impact on mental health can't be overstated. The constant worry about making payments, the stress of living paycheck to paycheck, and the fear of not being able to afford the basics can be overwhelming. It's a cycle that's hard to break, but understanding the problem is the first step towards finding a solution. So, what can be done to alleviate this stress and make student loans more manageable? For many, exploring forgiveness programs and budgeting tools has been a game changer. There are numerous resources available in 2025 designed to help manage or eliminate student loans. From public service loan forgiveness to income-driven repayment plans, understanding and utilizing these programs can significantly reduce the financial burden. Budgeting tools and financial literacy education also play a crucial role in empowering borrowers to take control of their finances. Making a plan and sticking to it is key. This might involve consolidating loans, cutting expenses, or finding ways to increase income. It's about taking small steps towards a bigger goal. For some, this might mean dedicating a certain amount each month towards loan repayment, while for others, it might involve picking up a side hustle to boost their income. One inspiring story is that of Sarah, who managed to pay off her $30,000 student loan in just 3 years. She did this by creating a strict budget, cutting back on unnecessary expenses, and taking on a part-time job. Her journey wasn't easy, but with determination and the right strategy, she was able to eliminate her debt and start fresh. Success stories like Sarah's show that it's possible to overcome the burden of student loans. It often requires discipline, patience, and a bit of creativity, but the payoff is well worth it. By taking control of your finances and making a plan, you can reduce the stress associated with student loans and start building the life you want. To manage your student loans effectively, it's essential to stay informed about the resources available to you. Whether it's a forgiveness program, a budgeting app, or a financial advisor, taking advantage of these tools can make a big difference. In summary, managing student loans requires understanding the challenges, exploring available resources, and taking proactive steps towards financial freedom. By utilizing forgiveness programs, budgeting tools, and financial literacy education, you can significantly reduce the stress associated with student loans. If you've had a similar experience with student loans, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. For more tips on managing your finances and tackling student loans, check out our next video on smart financial strategies for students.